Hi there, my name is Daphne with Travel Talk Show, and I want to talk about avalanche safety and this time of the year and all the things that are happening right now in the West Coast, Lake Tahoe, Utah, and even here in Montana with these February winter snowfalls. This is one of the most dangerous times of the year for avalanche safety. And I just want to remind folks that if you are new to any sport, whether it be snowmobiling, skiing, cross country skiing, snowshoeing, and you're visiting any of these places for the first time, or even if you've lived there your whole life, it is so important to know all about avalanche safety. And right now, especially in the last few days, there have been several people in many of these states that have not fared too well. And as someone that lives nearby the mountains, national forests, national parks, that does do these activities, it is so important to have the right equipment with you, have the avalanche beacons, have some kind of a radio, satellite phone, cell phone. All the people in your party should have these things. It is so important, and it's up to your survival when these things happen. They happen a lot more often than people realize. So I just want to remind people, if you are visiting any national park, national forest, ski resort, any backcountry anywhere across the country, but especially in Utah right now, Nevada, California, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, and Washington, please, please, please make sure you know your route, have paper maps with you, have your cell phones fully charged, make sure you have avalanche beacons, make sure you have a shovel. Oh my gosh, my husband was out yesterday on some trails here with very heavy snow, came across a party of 6 men who were renting sleds. It was clear to him they didn't know what they were doing, and none of them had a shovel. They were very badly stuck in precarious sloped areas, and he did help them out and get them out of that situation. But it is so important, as businesses who rent out these sleds or any equipment like cross-country skis, snowshoeing, please do better, and please educate your people about what to do in these situations. These people might not be very knowledgeable about the area or the equipment they're using or the places they're going to. So again, my name is Daphne with Travel Talk Show, just giving some safety tips for those in winter travel, which would be anything to do with skiing, snowmobiling, hiking, cross-country skiing, downhill skiing, all the above. Please be safe, everyone. Please make sure you read up and know what you're doing and have all the things you need for your adventures. It is so important and it is necessary. Thank you again. Have a good day, and I hope you hit follow and see you again soon.